Hello everyone. Hello teacher. Today I'm going to answer a short question in the cinema. The first question: what can bring you positive energy? In my opinion, sipping a cup of coffee alone in the morning may brings me a sense of inner peace and comfort and relaxing, because where I can enjoy its moment and coffee. Watch other people passing by on the streets. Yeah. Besides that, hanging out and eating something with my girlfriend after work makes me a sense of happiness and recharging energy. Yeah. The second question: what are the pros and cons of being alone for young people nowadays? In my opinion, one of the pros of being alone for young people nowadays is that being alone focuses on themselves, such as learning new skill and signing in a lot of courses, and they understand their emotion and behaviors. Besides that, being alone can develop independence. Therefore, it made them more confident. Yeah. However, the cons are that being alone spends so much time alone. Therefore, it made them feel lonely, stressed, sometimes depressed, and they disconnect with other people they're around. As a result, it is so harder to build relationship. For example, when they face a lot of problem, the best way is that they can immerse themselves on social media, because they don't have a close friend and a good co-worker to share emotion and feeling. I think it is so terrible. Yeah.